Hi everybody, today is Thursday and we have our Zoom call today. I want to play a fun game, so I hope you can make it. I hope to see everybody today. Um, for our homework, let's see what the class says. If you have completed writing in your journal, please make your corrections. After you have made corrections, do Imagine Learning. If you have not written in your journal, you need to complete journal number 1 through 5 today. Si ha completado la escritura en su diario, haga sus correcciones. Después de hacer las correcciones, do Imagine Learning. Si no ha escrito en su diario, debe completar el diario número 1 a 5 hoy y mañana. Estudiantes que no han completado la tarea o Imagine Learning, tenemos un list aquí. So if your name is on here, you need to do your homework. Please, thank you. Si haga clic aquí, we'll go to the homework. And aquí instrucciones cómo hacer esta tarea y aquí, aquí tenemos instrucciones cómo corregir. Okay? So if you have any questions, ver el videos, por favor. All right? And don't forget, we have our Zoom meeting today at 1 o'clock. I'll see you then. Bye.